I know a secret. You're about to die. Okay, so today, due to the winter weed build-up, we're going to be chucking down some Buffalo Pro weed and feed, which should kill all your weed types that turn up, like clover and that sort of shit. It says not to spray it in the wind, but I'm going to do it anyway, so I'll just have to be careful. So, and then we'll talk about that after. Okay, so it was too windy yesterday to do it, so we're going to do it today. It's still a bit windy, but I'm going to risk it for the biscuit. This should kill your weeds and green up your lawn. Probably takes about 2 goes to see an effect on the weeds, but we'll see how we go. Do not get it on your plants. Okay, super awesome unboxing from eBay. What do we got? Let's put the camera in a better spot. Oh. It's a new wheel! What we got? Oh. A muffler gasket, that's just what I always wanted. And ooh, wheel bushes. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna do the muffler gasket first. Okay, it's on, but somehow I don't think my $6 muffler gasket is a genuine part, but that's okay. Okay, wheel replacement. Now, I'm getting new hubcaps for these, but they're $35. I've got to wait a bit till I get some more bottles. Yeah. Okay, there she is. I think we're going to stop there. Just got to get air filter. The rest of it's done. There you have it. She runs. Oh, before I forget. Hey guys, just chilling.